face-to-face school looks very different now than it did in March. And even with all the shifts and changes, our students are still able to enjoy the opportunity to be at school where they can interact with their teachers and their peers. This is an absolute pleasure and we definitely do not take it for granted. Collaboration also looks differently today. It is done virtually due to physical distancing regulations, but we can all agree that the pros far outweigh the cons. Classroom discussions are just as robust, engaging, and meaningful. Students participate in educational games, class projects, novel studies, guided reading, and STEM activities, even with COVID-19 restrictions. At AISK, we have developed our very own home learning plan. This is for students who cannot attend school due to 3 reasons. They are either out of school because of personal health issues or those of someone who lives with them. They're in quarantine due to travel by the student or a family member that lives with them, or they have been exposed to COVID-19. This approach requires discipline and preparation to be successful. At home, there needs to be a clear working environment created for students to do their best. Students must be dressed and ready for school each day with access to Schoology or learning management system. At school, teachers prepare materials each Monday and will share an overview of the week. Teachers will also meet weekly with parents and students to answer questions, provide feedback, or offer additional support. Teachers will also provide instruction to the core subject areas using a live feed for specified hours per day, depending on the grade level. The live feed offers real-time instruction where students are able to participate as if they were present in the classroom. AISK was indeed a pioneer in developing a distance learning program for students, more commonly known as our DLP. Even now, most schools across the world are still using a DLP approach for instruction. As with any new initiative, we have learned valuable lessons from our initial offering. And should campus have to close again due to COVID-19, we are ready and waiting with updated platforms to enhance our user experience. AISK has taken many steps to ensure that this DLP will run smoothly going forward. We have offered professional development for teachers. We have had practice sessions with students. There are even strategies in place for students who do find this modality of learning quite tedious. In our early years and kindergarten programs, we're going to include the delivery of educational packs. There have been significant upgrades to the IT infrastructure as well. These include bandwidth upgrades, enterprise package and conferencing platforms, the upgrade of access points on campus, and audiovisual equipment are in every classroom, ready and waiting. Our goal at AISK is to provide excellence in the delivery of our education and excellence in the professional development of our teachers. We do take this pandemic seriously and we're making every effort to ensure that our students, our teachers, and our families are safe.